Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put on snaps to your garment. I know I have another video that I've made on this already, but I have this new tool that is a lot easier to use and a lot faster. So I wanted to give you guys an update on a tool that you can use. So this is the one that I have here. I got it on Amazon, and then it comes with a bunch of different colors, and then on the bottom it has the actual tool. This one. Unfortunately, this specific one that I have from Amazon is not available right now. It hasn't been for a while, but I will keep an eye on it, and if it does come back, I'll update the link on this video. But there are a few other ones that you can grab that I'll link that are pretty similar to what this is here. It just looks a little different. It will look like pliers instead of this, but it's the same concept, and it will be pretty much the same thing that you'll be doing. All right, let's get started. All right, so when you're doing snaps, there's three main pieces. This piece here is the one that has the spikes on it, as you can see. And then the back of it is the ring, which is what you usually see when you see snaps. And then you have this piece here that sticks out a little bit. And then the back looks like this, and that's where the spikes will go into. Okay, and then your other piece looks like this. That part there goes into the other piece I just showed you. It will snap in. And then the back looks like this, and that's where the spikes will go. Okay, so it's very important when you're adding snaps to kind of map out where they're going to go. So if you're doing a onesie like this one here, you want it to come up and snap. So you want to make sure that you're adding your snaps so that they come up and snap in the correct way that you want them to. So yeah, just double, triple check that you're putting them on correctly so that they snap in together. So if you're doing a jacket like this, you want to place them in a way where that they will come back and snap with each other like so. Okay, so if you're doing a onesie like the one that I have here, you're going to want it to snap up like this, like I was showing you earlier. So I have two pieces of fabric here, so I can kind of show you how you would do that. So this fabric is going to be facing up, and it's going to be the right side of the fabric. This is going to be the wrong side of the fabric. It's going to come up and snap, just like it is here. Okay, so this next piece here, you're going to put it on. That part here is going to be snapping in to your other piece, just like that. And your other side will be going into your spikes. As you can tell, the outside ring here is a little bit bigger, and that's how I would know that it's going to be going into my spikes. So that is going to be facing up towards the spikes. And then you're going to place the other ring on. This one on there, just like that. Just like to push down a little bit. Okay, now that's in there. And now we are going to place it onto our fabric. So, like I said, that is going to be the back of my fabric, and this is the wrong side of my fabric. So this is going to have the snap piece facing up, and the ring is going to be on the other side, which is the right side of the fabric. Give it a good squeeze. Okay, so now we have that on there, and now it flips up and snaps perfectly. So when you're putting it on a jacket, it will be a little different, so make sure you're planning that out so that you have it placed right. So eventually you will put it on wrong, and I've done this multiple times. I still do it sometimes when I'm not paying attention. So here is how I would take it off. This tool here, I just stole from my husband from his toolbox. I don't know what it's called, but this is what I use. You can also use a staple remover. Just use the straight edge of the side. So you'll grab it and you'll put it right in between. Make sure you're not grabbing the fabric so that you don't cut that like I did here. And just start to wedge it in between both of those, and then once you have it in between, you're just going to give it a good squeeze, and then once you did one side, just kind of rotate and do the other side. Sorry, this tool is kind of hard to handle, but just keep on going around and just squeezing it open, and then just kind of see if that is making it loose, and if not, then keep on going around and putting it in between and squeezing. Eventually that will pop off, and then you'll take the back piece off. and then there'll just be minimal damage to there, and it's okay because you're just going to put a snapback on it the correct way. So that's the tool that I use, and it's been super helpful for me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and that it was helpful for you. Let me know what other things you would like to see a tutorial on, and I'll see you next time.